What's up, viewers? Looking for a cool, affordable product under $20 that you can use to clean your rims? Then this is the video for you. Stay tuned.
From up the rise, yeah, we flood that shine. Rims all gloss when I hit that line. Drip too clean, yeah, the squad don't miss. Pull up fresh, that's clean car Chris.
All right, and the product I'm talking about is this product right here, Maxshine Wheel Mitts. Guys, I've been using this product since I first started detailing, and I've not been let down once. I've always kept it in my arsenal. This is a 2-pack, however, I have one fresh one in there. The other one I've already been using, so this is a fresh one right here. Check this out. Simple design, high quality material. Check the shape out. It's easy. It's built, designed to put your fingers in there like this, or rather like this. It has this cool little hoop here that's designed to stick your thumb through if you want, right? I never use this, nor do I ever put my fingers in here either. I always just kind of hold it. But let me give you guys a quick demo and show how you use it. All right, here my wheel bucket. Put some of that PNS pearl in here. I got some brake buster here and this IK sprayer. I got my work truck here, guys. Check out the wheels. It's not super dirty, but dirty enough. Actually, while I'm here right now, I'm gonna take a quick before picture of the wheels. Why? So I can post it in the Meet the Detailers app in the showcase area. And then also I'm gonna take a after picture to post in there also. Remember, guys, download the Meet the Detailers app. Check out the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Join the family today. You know, there are tons of wheel brushes and all that stuff on the market, of course, but I always use this product pretty much every detail. Really easy to use, and I personally like to hold a mitt. It's the right size. You can just grab it in your hands like this, and you just go to town on the rim, right? You can get in all the nooks and crannies, pretty much. You know what's really cool too? You can get behind the spokes like this too, and catch behind there, right? See how dirty my wheel is. Check it out. That's why in wheel buckets too, it's cool to put a grip guard on the bottom, so you can kind of agitate your mitt too. Just clean it up a little bit, so you look how fresh again, right? These you can wash them too and reuse them multiple times. They last a really long time, guys. Like I mentioned earlier, I've been using this product since I first started detailing. I saw them online and decided to give them a try, and I always keep them handy. I have at least, I don't know, 10 of them laying around that I just rotate and wash. And you know, you see how quick that is. Even this lip right here, you know, you can just use your fingers with it so well too, because you already know you can use your fingers and get into a lot of these grooves and so forth. Right? You can pretty much clean most areas of any rim with this mitt. And like I said, if you're the type of person like I am, who like to actually work with mitts rather than only brushes, I mean, this is a product for you. Not perfect, but a lot better. All right, let me take my after shot to post in the Meet the Detailers app. Boom, I'll save that for later. So all right, viewers, if you're looking for a cool, affordable, efficient wheel mitt, check out the Maxshine Wheel Mitt. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description so you can click it. Check it out if you want. It's your boy, Clean Car Chris, coming at you again. Quick product review for you. Hope you find it informative. Log on every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Meet the Detailers is a vibe. Join the family today. We out.